I'm delighted to be joined on Mobile World Live by Amdocs' Ilan Shaki. Ilan, welcome.
Thank you.
Tell us, to start off with, what are the main barriers to success that CSPs are facing, some of the challenges that they're having to overcome these days?
Well, there are some obvious barriers like lack of budget, maybe complexity of systems and processes, sometimes even broken systems and processes. The need to launch a large number of new services in a very short time to market. But I think the biggest barrier is really a cultural change that the telco need to go through when shifting from communication service providers to digital service providers. And basically, cultural change is maybe the toughest thing to do in a company. You need to really reshape your vision, redirect your strategy, making sure that everybody understands where the company needs to go and actually deploy it, which there is a reason why they say that culture eats strategy for breakfast.
Tell us a little bit about Amdocs' intelligent operations approach, Ilan.
Well, I believe in order to reach this zero-touch preemptive operation, there are three main elements that one must deploy in order to reach that. First of all is the ability to collect all the relevant data and visualize it, across vertical and horizontal, meaning end-to-end business processes, and also per application, from the application itself through the data and all the way down to the hardware. Once you can see everything, then you move to step number 2, which is the ability to analyze this data in a very contextual relevancy, and predict. So basically we analyze the past data and predict what's going to happen in the future. This is the prediction part. And if I can predict what's going to happen in the next 15 minutes, for example, an incident is about to happen, then I'm moving to step number 3, which is let's just automate the resolution based on that prediction and avoid the incident from happening altogether. And this is on the fault management scenario. And of course, on the happy path, it's pretty easy, just automate all the planned processes one after the other, and then you can really reach this zero-touch, self-healing and preemptive operation.
So how do you see the future of operations? What's your vision at Amdocs?
Well, I think the vision coming up in the next few years is really having a zero-touch, self-healing and preemptive operation where you can imagine that the ecosystem of the operation will be able to identify an incident before it actually happens and fix it automatically. So basically there will be zero incidents. All the happy path processes will be automated, and the people are going to focus mainly on becoming business enablers rather than just operational efficiency.